Hello, this is Wen-Yao Cheng demonstrating the Enhancement 4. And so up here, when we type in the product's URL, it'll take us to the product management page. And then according to the tab we click, it will pass in an action, and this one's new category. And so now we can test it. If we try to add a category, it's showing a message because we're missing the category name. So let's say rope, and then we can add category. And then as you see here, there's no success message, but instead the rope shows up on the tab. And then now we can add a new product, and we can check please fill all fields. Now we can choose category and then put in some name just for speed. I'm going to type in things are simple because right now we haven't used validation for our inputs, and then add product. So thanks for adding a new product. And now let's go inspect our HTML. No errors. And then we go back to the main page, inspect HTML, and still good. And then the last one is the category page, validate HTML, and then everything's good. Now we just need to check the CSS file, and it's green. So there's no errors. Thank you for watching.